What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We had a little slight change of plans and I'm going to explain everything. I think you're going to like it, though. It's still going to be cool, still going to be unique, but a little bit different. And I know we said Coyote, but I think you'll like this too. Let's go. All right, boys, I know everybody's been dying for updates on the truck. The truck is still getting body work done. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's still here and still ready to rock and roll with the supercharged Coyote and the Crown Victoria front end, blah, 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 blah. But today, we're doing Mercedes things, guys. And I know you saw the video a while back, or maybe you didn't, but we picked up this crazy Mercedes with the idea, hell, you know, let's Coyote swap. Why not? Let's do something different, you know, just for the heck of it, see what can be done. And here it is. And one quick note about this car, guys. This thing was $72,000 in 1989, brand new. It's a 560 SEL. Yes, yeah. 560 SEL. So that was the idea. Coyote swap, 6 already, pretty cool. All right, let's talk about it. All right, boys, so we got the car on the lift, and, you know, while we were feeling extremely ambitious, this isn't something that, you know, we were wanting to get extremely crazy with. A couple of the issues we've got is that it's not a rack and pinion like we thought. Big steering box right here, which is going to create all kinds of problems. All the suspension is going to create problems with the oil pan, stuff like that. Just a lot as far as making the engine fit. All of the oil pan is on the front, and of course the Coyote, basically the drop down will be right here, so not entirely conducive to what we were doing. The second thing is, this thing is about the size of a C4 and it's freaking tight in this tunnel. So there is no possibility, without cutting the entire floorboard of this car out, that a 6R80 was going in it. So we're just kind of decided we'd back up and punt here a little bit. All right, guys, real quick intermission. We got the Tommy Gate truck and we are headed to town because a very large delivery from Power by the Hour has arrived. And if you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know Boomer's car, the black GT that he's getting the Coyote. We got some parts for him, so we're gonna go to town, pick these up, and check out what he's got. Boys, I can see the motor from here. Yeah. PBH. I see a big PBH sticker on that thing. Looking good, looking good. Let's see what we're working with here. Yeah, this side. Yep, that's it. And boards are broke on the bottom of it there. All right, gentlemen, back at the shop. We're gonna get the gotta get Dover's car out of the way. We'll get this engine off the truck and unbox it. Sugar her out. Coyote cold start in 3, 2. Check out this engine. All right, boys, looky there. Boys, this is for Boomer's car. This is the black GT that's off getting its engine bay done. You hadn't seen it in a while, but it should be back shortly with a freshly done engine bay. Here it is. Fresh Gen 2. Coyote engine harness and all on it. Yeah, she's ready, boys. Love this little stand. That's gonna be nice to have around. All-star performance. Thanks, Frank. We're not sending it back. If you're watching this, I know you're watching it. Got some pickups. And that's a nice touch. Thanks, Frank. I like that. Love it. Got the 6R80 harness already on it. Looking good. Alright, boys, let's see what else Boomer picked up here. I know we're a little sidetracked, guys, but hey, we got deliveries. We got to check out deliveries.
Got some pulleys and belts, brackets.
Accessory drive from Power by the Hour. Looking good. That's probably injectors in that box. Oh, okay.
Good
deal. Got it. Love it. All kinds of bolts, but here's how the engines come, guys. I mean, they're fully dressed. And this is the crate engine. This is the one that Power by the Hour sells. As you can see, it's got fuel rail. It's got engine harness. There's your 6R80 harness. Coils, all your everything. And look, Frank even put us a little evap block off on there. So he's too good to us. I think we'll keep him around a while, but yeah, guys, it's even got the little radiator wide there. It is all there. Again, guys, this is a 15 to 17 Gen 2 engine, which I'm pretty sure we probably won't be using this intake, but and actually, I guess I'll go ahead and let the cat out of the bag as far as what Boomer decided he was going to do on the car. So we can talk about that too. All right, boys. So yeah, while we are on the subject, we did get confirmation from Boomer that not only had he ordered some parts up, but he's wanting to go turbo and automatic 6R80. So that's what's going on with the black GT. And again, it's not here clearly because it's over at the Nick's getting the engine bay done. But so we're finally doing our first turbo build. I couldn't be more excited. Dover is totally excited. We're doing turbo Coyote stuff. We have yet.
I'm excited that it's not my turbo.
Well, it's good practice, right? So that is the deal with Boomer's car. It is going to be turbo Gen 2 Coyote 6R80. So it's going to be a beast, and we should have his car back here very soon. It's at the engine, or excuse me, at the over at Nick's getting the engine bay done. But parts are rolling in. Man, this thing's pretty. It's all clean and new. Love it. All right, boys, so back to the Mercedes and all the massive issues that
like old 350 fit in here a whole lot better.
Yeah. Put an old Silverado motor. No, guys. We're gonna. Looks like, barring anything unforeseen, once we get this mess out of here. All right, gentlemen, she is officially out of the car. And as you can see, Mercedes was kind of dealing with the same issue we were. The driver's side exhaust doesn't go down like it normally would. It comes back around here, loops over, makes a Y, and goes down. The reason it does that is because you've got this massive steering box right where a Coyote exhaust manifold and or header would be, and then of course the oil pump or oil pan will be right there. So you're starting to see, and then you look at this tiny trans tunnel that maybe a C4 or a T5 would fit in, hint hint, but definitely not a 6R80. But yeah, there's our Farfignugan thing here. It had a good run. Time to retire it, I guess. I don't know, whatever. But anyway, there it is. So yeah, gotta figure something out here. So this is like this. You follow my train of thought here. This is kind of what I'm thinking. Pick this header right here, and see, got plenty of room like that. Dover, what do you think? I kind of like that, you know?
We'll just do some test
Yeah,
videos.
look at there. And then on the other end of this, you know, maybe like a bullhorn out the bumper or something. I mean, you don't ever know, guys.
Let me see that. Go like this.
Exactly. Point it straight up out of the hood. Cut a nice hole in the hood, and then have like a diesel, like a 7.3. You know, somebody's got a 7.3 Power Stroke turbo, don't you? And we could just have that on the other side of the hood. Why not? All right, guys. So while we're on the subject of headers facing forward, Dover's old 434 sitting here. Dart block, Trick Flow 225s, Victor Jr. Or excuse me, Super Victor. Thinking that would probably fit pretty good. Actually, I think it would fit really good inside that Mercedes. So what do you think, guys? Drop me a comment below. Do you think we should drop the Dart 434 in the Mercedes? Because clearly it's definitely not looking good for the Coyote. But yeah, that would be 7 kinds of badass right there. Alright guys, so there you go. That is the update for the Mercedes. Drop me a comment below. Should we put the small block Ford in the Mercedes? Obviously, it looks like it's going to fit. And we may or may not have a turbo off of a 7.3 Power Stroke with all the stuff that could go through the hood. Yeah, we could do that. That would be pretty badass. I definitely got to say, big 4-door Mercedes. Slam it on some wheels like they had in Roadhouse on his Mercedes. Oh god, yeah, that would be too cool. But yeah, that is what is up, guys. Let me know what you think. Small block Ford, turbo, Mercedes 560 SEL. Why not? Also, big update on Boomer's car, turbo 6R80 Coyote. That car is going to be badass. We should be seeing it pretty soon. Engine bay should be done shortly. We'll have it back, get started on it, and on and on and on. Next upload, we should have a large pile of parts for Project 4 to 8. Get it on the ground. Tons of new stuff for it. It's going to be freaking awesome. Man, we got a lot of stuff going on. Last and final note, Ford Takeover is still on. As of right now, as of this upload, Ford Takeover is still on. Make sure you're there. It's going to be awesome. Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway. I rented out the track so we could get rid of the Corona stuff and go freaking racing again. That's what I want to do. So, all right, I'm done talking. Catch you on the next upload.